I'm 30 years old now, and this is probably the biggest lesson I've learned in my 20s, that all the beautiful things in life come from compounding. And that could be the brand value, money making capacity, strength of the relationships, or just the macro understanding of geopolitics or human psychology. But what does that mean? Imagine your life in 5-year chunks. Whatever you're doing today, it can be occasionally full-time, part-time, as a hobby. Whatever you're doing today, 5 years later, you will be in the top 1% of it. Let me give you 3 examples from my life. Investing and business. So I started investing in 2015 and business roughly in 2014 by making part-time websites. Today, in 2020, my understanding of business and investing is completely different level. I mean, I can see trends and I can see the psychology of it like I could not have 5 years ago. Number 2, books. I started reading properly in 2015 when I made a goal, 12 books a year, one for each month. And since then, I've been reading 12 or more books every year. And now I can see trends and things and human psychology and geopolitics in a way that are mentioned in those books, but I was still not able to see even 2 or 3 years ago. That's the effect of compounding. And 3, relationships. All the people I can blindly trust today, like the best friends and a friend forever kind of thing, they've been in my life for 5 more years, because compounding also happens in the relationship. And why does compounding work? Because our minds start forming neural patterns slowly and start making connections. So more time you spend in reading, experiencing, learning things over a period of roughly 5 years, the results are incredible. So whatever you're doing today, and maybe you're doing it for a year or 2 and still not seeing results, tell yourself to be absolutely patient, because compounding will happen and your life will be incredibly more compoundedly beautiful because of it.